During our fertile years, our ovaries work hard, producing 80 to 90% of our estrogen and progesterone. These hormones are crucial because they regulate mood, metabolism, bone health, and so much more. But as we approach menopause, a significant shift happens. Our ovaries naturally reduce their hormone production. This matters because the adrenal glands then have to step in, but they can only produce about 20% of the hormones we need. That's a drastic decline. Now imagine entering this stage of life with burnout adrenals overworked by chronic stress, daily responsibilities, exposure to toxins, or gut infections. This situation can dramatically intensify menopausal symptoms, making the restoration of adrenal health absolutely critical. Activating our adrenals becomes essential for achieving hormonal harmony during this transition. Here's what happens. Under chronic stress, the adrenal glands release excess cortisol, setting off a chain reaction. Cortisol spikes insulin levels to manage rising blood sugar. This leads to weight gain, especially around the belly, and increases the risk of insulin resistant and type 2 diabetes. But that's not all. High cortisol decreases thyroid function by reducing the active thyroid hormone T3. This slows down our metabolism, causing fatigue and more weight gain. And it doesn't stop there. High cortisol leads to a decrease in estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone. This results in low libido, mood swings, and irregular periods. But wait, it gets more complicated. Excess cortisol also affects the brain, leading to brain fog, insomnia, depression, and anxiety. It also disrupts the gut by increasing intestinal permeability, known as leaky gut, which allows toxins and bacteria into the bloodstream. This can cause inflammation, autoimmune conditions, cardiovascular disease, and even certain types of cancers. This creates a vicious cycle because inflammation and toxin buildup further stress the body, prompting even more cortisol release. Over time, this continuous loop exhausts our adrenal glands, intensifying perimenopausal and menopausal symptoms. Think of your body as an orchestra, with each section representing vital functions like hormone balance, immunity, and digestion. The adrenal glands are the conductors, ensuring harmony among these functions. When the conductor is overwhelmed, chaos starts. But by activating and supporting your adrenals, you ensure that the orchestra plays beautifully, restoring balance to your body. You might be wondering, why hasn't my doctor ever told me about adrenal activation before? Well, if you don't know this already, let me be the first one to tell you. There's no question about it. Traditional medicine is built to diagnose and prescribe. It's shocking, but the US is ranked number 37 in the world for healthcare behind countries like Colombia and Oman. Isn't that crazy? We spend the most on healthcare and still have some of the highest rates of chronic diseases. The unfortunate truth is that most doctors are not trained to look into the underlying causes of premenopausal symptoms. And that is why so many women are left suffering without real solutions. But here is where it gets exciting because there's groundbreaking science around adrenal activation that I have been using with incredible success with my clients. And it can change your life too. Now, let's explore the three key principles that will rejuvenate your health and help you feel like yourself again. Principle number one, test, don't guess. The first principle is all about precise testing. Most doctors will run a simple complete blood count, which often fails to give you the full picture of your health. That is why so many people experience unresolved symptoms, especially during perimenopause. If your doctor is not testing your adrenals, your symptoms might never fully resolve. And even if the tests have been done, if they were not performed correctly or interpreted accurately, you could be wasting time and money going in circles. Let's take a closer look at what this kind of testing looks like. For one of my patients, we did a 4-point salivary cortisol test, which checks cortisol levels at 4 different times through the day. This is crucial because cortisol follows a circadian rhythm, and without understanding that rhythm, we're missing the whole story on how your adrenals are functioning. In this patient case, her DHEA levels were very low and her cortisol levels were elevated in the evening. This is a clear sign of adrenal dysfunction. These imbalances were causing her to feel fatigue, experiencing low libido, weight gain, and even muscle loss. She also had sleep issues, anxiety, hot flashes, and irregular cycles. The moment she saw her results, she finally understood why her body had been feeling so out of balance. And that understanding provided the clarity she had been seeking for years. But we didn't stop there. In addition to adrenal testing, we examined her estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone levels and assessed her gut microbiome and toxic load. This comprehensive approach allows us to create a personalized plan to activate her adrenal function, and once that was in place, all her systems began working more efficiently. That is why precise testing is so important. It gives you the roadmap to heal. Now, I want to introduce you to one of my clients, Dr. Kathy. You might be thinking, she's a medical doctor. Wouldn't she know how to fix her painful periods, digestive issues, and fatigue? You would think so, right? Because of her medical training, she knew a lot about health, but here's the truth. She wasn't trained in this specific area. That is why she needed someone with experience and expertise to help her. Medical doctors often come to me for help because they even seek external expertise when it comes to hormone imbalances and adrenal dysfunction. Let's take a look at principle number 2, addressing your adrenals properly. Why is this so important? Because knowing what to do with the test results is critical. You might have gotten test results from your doctor before and felt disappointed, left with a diagnosis but no clear plan of action. That's frustrating because nothing really changes. Dr. Kathy experienced the same. All her traditional lab work looked normal, yet she was not feeling at her best. And when we looked deeper, we found that she had low DHEA levels, a clear sign that her adrenals needed support. We didn't just stop there. Because of her exposure to various toxins in hospitals, her toxic load was higher than most. She needed a detoxification protocol to address that burden, but here's where things really started to turn around. We also tackled her gut health, and she began to eliminate parasites. Soon after starting the gut protocol, she sent me a text thanking me for finally addressing her health issues. Her symptoms of painful periods, fatigue, and digestive issues are gone. Now, let's dive into principle number 3, early action for a smoother transition. If Dr. Kathy had waited, her symptoms could have gotten worse. Her fatigue, painful periods, and digestive issues would have continued to decline, possibly even affecting her career as a medical doctor. But let me share another phenomenal transformation. Cindy. She was dealing with severe hot flashes, insomnia, digestive issues, chronic fatigue, and mood changes. After we worked together implementing bioidentical hormones, providing the necessary nutrients, supporting toxin elimination, and restoring her gut microbiome, she told me, I feel like a new person. At 60, she said, I still have so much to live for, and all my friends keep asking me what I did. Now, I want to be clear. These results are not unique to Dr. Kathy or Cindy. They can work for you too. Here's why. The human body has an incredible ability to heal. When you provide it with the right support and resources, it responds and recovers. Now imagine this. You're feeling healthy again, your energy's back, you're able to do the things that you have been putting off, being present with your family, your partner, starting that side hustle, or simply enjoying life without discomfort. This is your chance to make a difference. If you haven't given up hope yet, there's still time. I can't tell you how many women have come to me regretting not starting this process sooner. One of my clients said, I almost came to you a year ago, and now my symptoms are even worse. Don't let that be you. Be like Dr. Kathy and Cindy. You're just as smart and deserving. You are worth it. Throughout this webinar, we have talked about activating your adrenals. And I love this slide coming up because it perfectly recaps everything we have covered. By activating your adrenals, you can experience pretty amazing changes, like more energy through the day, balanced hormones, a calmer mood, regular and pain-free periods, better digestion, and a renewed sense of vitality. Plus, you will feel a deeper sense of self-love. Doesn't that sound incredible? This is not magic. It's about helping your body function optimally again. It's truly life-changing. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This sounds great, but my doctor said these problems are just part of aging. Perimenopause means medication or just learning to live with symptoms. Here's where things get interesting because many doctors are still stuck in what they learned decades ago. But now we're seeing that when we optimize our bodies and address the root cause, we can feel so much better. You will finally feel heard and understood, no more being told you're fine or that it's all in your head just because lab work looks normal. We're going to dig into your entire medical history, analyze your health, and uncover the root cause of what's really going on. This isn't just another consultation. This process will give you all the answers you have been searching for. You will have a clear plan of action and know exactly where to start. Imagine feeling confident that you're finally on the right track and that positive changes are just steps away. As a board-certified functional medicine practitioner, I have the privilege of helping hundreds of women reclaim their lives and boost their confidence. And that brings me so much joy. Just like Anna, who activated her adrenals and regained her vitality, lost 40 pounds, and was able to stop autoimmune medications. You too can experience a life-changing transformation. Imagine being able to advance at work, feel energized for your family, and thrive like never before. Pretty amazing, right? Now imagine what this could do for you. You're probably wondering how to start this journey. Well, I have developed something pretty amazing, a personalized consultation that is risk-free and packed with tremendous benefits. It's designed to give you the clarity and answers you have been searching for to address your health concerns and move forward with confidence. And I am confident that your only regret will be not discovering this sooner. Many of my clients tell me, I wish I had started this 6 months ago. This comprehensive consultation is a game changer because we're going to dig deep into areas where your body might be struggling. Your adrenals, your sex hormones, your digestive health, and even your toxin exposure. These are the things that could be holding you back, and once we identify them, we can finally start working toward real solutions. You will meet with me or one of our team members over Zoom so we can give you the personalized attention you deserve. In this one-on-one call, we'll go over your targeted health assessments and dive into your health history to empower you in reclaiming control of your health. Typically, health experts charge anywhere from $500 to $1,000 for a consultation of this depth and quality. But today, I won't be charging you anywhere near that. Why? Because my goal is simple: to improve your life, just like I have done for so many others before you. And here's the best part. This is where things get really exciting. As an added bonus, I'm giving you lifetime access to my 30-day Gut and Energy Reboot course, along with a collection of about 100 recipes so you can start feeling better immediately. This alone is valued at $798. So, if you take action today, you will receive the full health assessment, the one-on-one consultation, the Gut and Energy Reboot course, and the recipes, which together are valued at $1,548. But for today only, you get everything for just $37. I know what you're thinking. Why am I offering all of this for only $37? It's simple. Because I know that some of you will want to work with me even further. And if so, I'd be honored. If not, that's perfectly fine. I'm here to serve you and support you in this journey. If you have watched this far, you know you need help. This is your chance, and I know you are an action taker. We're going to look at your entire medical history and uncover the root cause. This isn't just another consultation. It's a guided journey, and I'll be honored to walk it with you. Here's why this is so powerful. I have spent 10 years taking numerous courses and earning certifications to create a protocol that delivers real results. With my support, you will get the guidance you need every step of the way. So, what this means is that you will finally have the answers you need and a clear plan of action to take control of your health. You will be confident that you're in the right path and positive results are just a few changes away. This is your opportunity to take control of your health and unlock a healthier, more vibrant you. If you're ready for transformative results, I invite you to click the link below and secure your spot now. Our personalized consultation availability is limited because we prioritize quality care and spots are filling up quickly. If you're dealing with fatigue, weight gain, hot flashes, painful periods, or mood changes, these are signals that something is out of balance. Don't wait. There's a proven roadmap waiting for you that can help you get rid of these symptoms and bring you back to your best self. Let me tell you about Mayra. She came to me with weight gain, fatigue, painful periods, recurrent UTIs, bloating, and constipation. She felt trapped in her symptoms, but now, after activating her adrenals, all those symptoms have disappeared, and she has the energy to enjoy life, be there for her family, and thrive in her career. I am so excited to share this journey with you and show you the remarkable results we have achieved for our high-performing woman just like you. We got all the tools and resources ready to support you. Today is about taking that first step with our personalized call, and I can't wait to meet you inside. Take action now, click the link below, and secure your spot before it's gone. I am looking forward to guide you to healthier, happier you. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you soon.